Hi, I'm Chris Love, the Removals Manager here at Absolute Dental Services. You've heard all the buzz about digital dentures. Now, I'd like to share some of the amazing advantages this offers over the traditional analog workflow. Historically, the biggest struggle both technically and clinically is establishing a correct VDO. This is the reason so many modern-day clinicians are not excited about treating edentulous patients. One of a multitude of exciting workflows we utilize is when a patient has an existing denture. This existing denture, either good or bad, is offering us a great starting point. Until now, there was no way to effectively transfer this existing data to the lab to use for prototyping of the new denture. With this digital workflow, we are able to capture, maintain, and create a new denture based off of the original denture with improved diagnostic changes. This data can be digitally transferred by scanning the denture with a benchtop or intraoral scanner. If you don't use a scanner, you can simply send us the existing denture with a wash impression, bite, and an opposing, and we'll take care of the rest. Furthermore, if a patient does not have an existing denture to use as a starting point, the clinical workflow remains exactly the same as the traditional removal process. No need for ergonomics bites or any special equipment. This workflow allows us to be very predictable, and these innovative materials produce dentures that are more aesthetic than any denture you have ever prescribed. Dentsply Sirona launched the new carbon-printed Lucitone 3D digital polymer. This material is classified as a heat-activated smart polymer with a linear elastic fracture toughness of more than 3,000 joules per square meter. It is twice as strong as the traditional Lucitone high-impact acrylic and 3 times stronger than the minimum ISO strength standard of 900 joules per square meter for a denture. Our dentures are exclusively printed on carbon printers. This technology utilizes digital light synthesis, which produces components that microscopically replicate injection molding for extreme strength. The IPN 3D portrait teeth are fused, not bonded, into the base with a very innovative FDA-cleared 3D fusing system. This means that the teeth would break way before they ever debond. We are so confident in our product that every case comes with an absolute authenticity warranty card. This provides your patient with a 1 year, no repair, full replacement guarantee. All Absolute digital dentures are archived for future retrieval. There is no longer a need for clinical appointments to replace the lost denture. Now, just give us a call and we'll deliver a new duplicate denture in as little as 24 hours. The printed Lucitone comes in 5 exceptional shades. Please visit our website, absolutedentallab.com, to request a free shade tab and download our voucher with a special introductory offer on your first denture. No matter where you are in the country, we want to process your next denture case. Call us and let me show you the efficiency, predictability, and aesthetics this process offers. I am Chris, and I am Absolute.